How are you today?
I'm fine. Thank you, and you?
Oh, I'm fine. Okay, the last week we learned about ecosystem. Do you know what is an ecosystem?
Ecosystem is relationship of organisms and their environment.
Yes, what else?
The relationship of non-living and living.
Okay, very good. Clap your hands. An ecosystem refers to all the animal and plants found in one place. And the way they all live together. Okay. Everybody look at this picture. What is animal? What is organism in this picture? Tiger, rabbit, and grass. Okay. And what is relationship between these organisms? Relationship between these organisms.
I think rabbit is grass and tiger is rabbit.
Okay. Tiger eat rabbit and the rabbit is grass. Very good. Well done, you. Okay, you see this picture. The tiger eats the rabbit and the rabbit is grass. We call this picture is a food chain. F O O D CHAN, food chain. Food chain is the path by which energy passes from one living thing to another. Okay. Do you understand?
Yes.
Oh, very good. The next question. How many groups of organisms on the food chain? How many groups? 2, 3, 4. What else? What do you want? Oh. Okay, now let's go. What animal is grass? What animal is grass in this picture?
Rabbit.
Rabbit. What else?
Buffalo.
Buffalo. Horse.
Sheep.
Sheep. Yes, it's right. The animals who eat plants, only plants, such as grasshopper, rabbit, squirrels, deer, and panda. We call herbivore. Repeat after me. Herbivores.
Herbivore.
Herbivores.
Herbivore.
Yes, clap your hand. Very good. And the next. What is animal eat other animal? What is animal eat other animal? Tiger. Lion. Fox. Snake. Who is many. Crocodile. Yes. We call animal who only eat other animal. Listen. Eat other animal. We call carnivore. Repeat after me. Carnivore.
Carnivore.
Carnivores.
Carnivores.
Yes. Yes, such as tiger, lion, hawks, wolves, and cobra. And the next, what is both animal and plants? What is both animal and plant? Human. Again, please. Cat. Yes. What else? Bear. Chicken. Good, good. Duck. Well done. Animal who eat both plants and animals such as human and bear we call omnivore. Okay, repeat after me. Omnivores. Repeat after me. Omnivores. Again, please.
Omnivore.
Yes. Clap your hand. Okay. And how many types of organism in food chain? How many types? How many types? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, no. How many kind of organism in consumer? How many kind or how many kind of consumer? 3. 1, 2, and 3. The first one is herbivore, and next the number 2 carnivore, and number 3 is omnivores. Consumer hunt, gather, and store food because they cannot make their own. We call them consumer. What is organism? Eat. Okay. What is organism? Don't eat. Animal. And it can mix food by themselves from the line. What is animal? What is organism? Grass. Herb. Tree. Corn. Sorghum. Khao fang. Oh, in Thai language. Okay. The producer make their own food by photosynthesis process. Green plants use energy from the sun to make food. Producers are on the bottom of the food chain. And the last one, decomposer. Repeat after me, decomposer. Decomposers. Microorganisms that are able to break down large molecules into small parts. Decomposer return the nutrients that are in a living thing to the soil. Okay, everybody, we conclude about food chain. What's in a food chain? What in a food chain? What in a food chain? Producer, consumers, and then decomposer. It has three types in food chain: producer, consumer, and decomposer. Okay. up. The time up. You can hear the ring, the time up. Okay, the next period. Do homework. About 3 food chain. And write food chain apply in your life. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Do homework. Okay, see you again next time.
See you again next time.
Have a nice day.